Mangwabe was looking very broken because of Musamseleko. Musamseleko is trying to fix things between the two of them, but it takes time Mangwabe to fall in love with the Musamseleko again, because the Musamseleko was telling his boys Lwahle and Impumelelo, don't date a woman who have got a child. And what Mangwabe she fused, because Musamseleko was telling them on television since Utando Nestembo season 1 until now. But Musamseleko now, he is stopping saying those words because he knows that it hurts Mangwabe a lot. You say don't date a woman who have got a child. So it means he is regretting marrying Mangwabe and Makumalo because are the only women who have got kids. So sometimes, guys, Musamseleko have to be careful when he is saying his words. Even we saw Musamseleko with Mangwabe's son. Macele says Musamseleko is pretending to like Mangwabe's son, but he doesn't like him. Macele was saying the truth. People will say Macele is jealous to see Musamseleko with Mangwabe's son. Musamseleko, he was trying to fix his mistakes because Mangwabe's son was not featuring with other kids. We saw Mawande and Zinande at cameras, but that child was not on cameras. You understand? But now Musamseleko, he is with Mangwabe's son on cameras. He wants to fix his mistakes. It's not about Mangwabe is broken because of Makwela. No, Mangwabe was very broken before Makwela came in Musamseleko's life. I remember on season 7, Mangwabe refused to sleep at Musamseleko's room because Mangwabe, she was looking, she doesn't want him anymore. It's not about because of his words, what he is saying. Musamseleko, you have to stop mocking to say don't marry a woman who have got a child. Why you got married to Mangwabe? You know that you don't want to marry a person who have got a child.